Vatican, devastate. Hey, watch on, man. Just through the riches and fame spot. Someone. Lightning, earthquake, and thunder. I won't say. Life is more than fortunate, worth more than gold. Genuine love is more than ill to watch on, man. Money them a run down. Them no care for life, none at all. This a time Rome a fi bun down. Watch out. Stay humble in the jungle, no fall or fumble or stumble. Man a fi strong in them a time when wolf and the swine them loose in the street with the cars and the nine them. To survive in them a time, people you have to strong. Pop the beast foot and pop it neck and pop it on. Keep the fire blazing and so the not it on. All who evil they could shed a ship and wicked conspire with the beast them in the Vatican, devastate. Hey, watch on, man. Just through the riches and fame spot. Someone. Lightning, earthquake, and thunder. I won't say.
What go on, the people? What go on? Yeah, man. Right now, today, I come to talk to Jamaica and the world about Vybz Kartel freedom. Seeing? Yeah. Right now, Jamaica, we start from in a Portmore, Waterford. You understand? Jamaica people, who don't need to start protests. In order for free Vybz Kartel, we don't need to start protests. We don't need to go at the prison where Vybz Kartel there with no placard. Go protest. How much a protest? I mean peaceful protest. This thing need to start accompanying the news worldwide. We want America for a protest. We want the Caribbean for a protest. We want Africa for a protest. Right now, we want the world for a protest. Because this thing here, to me, it look like when Nelson Mandela get him freedom. You understand? But this one, my people, we don't have to fight for it because we don't see what go on with the system. The system not decide for Lego cartel and decide to fight him. Because they might try to prove something. You understand? So may I say, we don't need for protest. Because me been in a similar situation like this before. Never kill nobody still. Or nothing like that. You understand? Been through the court system. And same thing happened to me. You win your case. And then the opposition decides that they're going to appeal. And what them do now? They want to carry you go on kangaroo court. Go overturn your thing. You understand? And try to pressure your thing. So the people, power, this is what it need right now. Somebody support more Waterford. We don't need to go. And the prison go start on the protest. And the whole of Jamaica start the protest. And the world take on to it. That's how we free Vybz Kartel. Remember. Yeah.